Okay, so I'm about to do a review on this here Nars foundation, and I got the color medium D4 in Macao. So I'm going to speed through, but I'm going to also show you what I'm gonna do with my eyes. I'm not gonna do nothing over the top because this here is just a foundation review, and I know I'm late, but I still wanted to do a really quick review. So yeah, I'm using this here Fenty eye primer. So I'm probably gonna do a neutral eye. Just gonna do something really quick and neutral. This here new palette by Too Faced. I'm going in with this color here, Cocoa Drizzle. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to finish up with the eyes because I don't want my camera card to fill up. So once I'm finished that, I'll be right back. Eyes are done. I'm gonna get a sip of water. So now I'm gonna go in with this Milk Hydro Grip Primer. The face. Put primer on only because that's what I do when I normally do my makeup, so I didn't want to not put primer on. That's not how I will, you know, in real life wear my makeup, so I wanted to apply my makeup as if I was going out, and I'm not going nowhere, you guys. This is the this here is the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm gonna just use this here Becca's Skin Love. I just usually put a little bit on just to loosen up the primer, the corrector. And if y'all wanted to know, I am using the Fenty Beauty brush. This is the Nars Soft Matte Complete Foundation. Like I said, this is the color Macao, medium deep. And I did get color matched inside of Sephora here. I had to. Anyway, let me jump into it because I don't know how much footage I have on this here SD card. I did get color matched. So this is what I ended up with, was color Macao. I'll give you more information regarding the foundation once I am done so I can hurry up with the tutorial. So here's one side of me applying. I had got my beauty blender out to use. So I'm gonna go in with one more layer. I need a little bit more under my eye area. So what do y'all think? Okay, so I have that. So next I'm gonna go in with my Born This Way concealer, highlighter, whatever. face one more time. Ooh. Bronzer. I probably use the you know what? I'm gonna use this here Too Faced bronzer because it has like a little shimmer to it. Go ahead and use that. So once I complete the whole process, I'll come back on here and show you, because clearly my cards keep filling up on me. So let me go ahead and finish this whole complete look, and I'm gonna come back fully done up, and then we can talk. Okay, y'all, I am back. This here is the finished look minus the lip product that I'm about to apply. This here is the Marc Jacobs Sugar. I tried to do a full get ready with me, but my camera cards is not wanting me to be. I already applied my lip liner, and y'all, I have this here gel lip liner. That's number 17. Oh my goodness, y'all, these hair lip liners are so bomb. I don't know how to sharpen it, so I did end up messing it up. Like, it came with this here, so y'all let me know what you're supposed to do with this. Like, is this the sharpener? Because I don't know what I'm doing wrong. So if y'all have any of these lip liners that have this here at the bottom, let me know how you go ahead and sharpen this. But that's what I have around my lip, and I have this applied all over the lid. Let me zoom in a little bit. So this here is the finished look, you guys. And like I said, I'm going to, if I'm speaking fast, it's because I'm trying not to miss out on telling y'all the information regarding this hair foundation. Okay, so I went online to pull up the claims regarding this hair foundation. If I didn't mention, it's a 1.5 fluid ounce. Comes in this here standard Nars packaging, and it's like a plastic type of bottle, which I like a whole lot because you don't have to worry about fingerprints and all that on your bottle. And then you have this here black top, and it is a squeezy tube type of foundation. This is the first time I ever had a squeezy tube, because normally the foundations that I have usually come with a pump. The Fenty Beauty one, it has a pump like here. And I think this one here is matte as well. I'm NC45, and that was like 10 years ago, back when the SA told me I was NC45. Now, I haven't went back to MAC to, you know, see if that was right or wrong. I just wanted to let y'all know, just in case y'all wanted to use me as a reference far as foundation. And then one more I can share is the Pat McGrath. I am in the color medium deep 23. So again, you know, just in case you wanted to reference me, in case you wanted to do a color match, like I said, Sephora did allow me to choose how I wanted to pick out my shade. They asked me that I wanted to use the like this little clear acrylic thing here and there self, and then I can go ahead and, you know, do what I wanted to do with it. And I ended up picking that instead of the clear thing against my forehead and trying to determine which color, because it was this color and it was Maria. I think that's how you pronounce it. It was either this color or Maria, and Maria was a little too light for me. Here's the packaging. It says it's a 16-hour wear resistant and is transfer resistant, sweat proof. Supposed to be sweat proof, transfer proof, and all of that. So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my face mask, and I'm gonna put that face mask on really quick just so we can see if it's really transfer proof. So let me go ahead and grab it. So really quick, I have this here white face mask, and when I go out, this is what I normally use. Sometimes I'll use the disposable ones if I have one, because, you know, if I wear makeup, I don't have to worry about washing it. So most of the time when I wear makeup, I usually pull towards my disposable ones. So here's the mask on. Now this one is a little tight, so I know it's going to have lipstick on it, but we're going to see if it has any makeup. Because see, with the disposable ones, I could have pulled the front a little more where I wouldn't have my lipstick touching. Okay, so of course you're going to see my lipstick in the middle. It do have some transfer on here, but not as much as the other foundations that I use. Like this here is really light. The disposable ones, you probably wouldn't even see really nothing, because like I said, you can pull the front of them, whereas though your mouth won't be right on it. But with this one, my mouth was like right on it, so as I'm talking, my mouth is touching the mask. So if you have a mask that's not as tight as this, and you can, like I said, pull it a little bit, you probably won't have to worry about your lipstick or anything touching it. But as you can see, it has a little bit of foundation, but not that much. And then if y'all saw how tight it was on my face, like it was on my face. So that's a thumbs up for me, because I can wear this makeup and don't have to worry about a whole full face on my mask. Because sometimes when I wear a foundation, I'm not sure which one, but my mask will be full of makeup. Like I just threw one away when I was at North Point Mall, because my foundation was all over that. I don't know what I was wearing that day, but yeah. And let's see what time it is. It is 1:33. So I'm gonna wear this for a few hours back on camera, so y'all can see how this hair foundation looks after a few hours. I am gonna go out on my balcony just so I can, so the heat can hit me, so we can see if these oils are pulled through. And I have combination skin. I usually see a lot of oil in my T-zone area. So all up in here is where I get oily. So we're going to put this to the test and see. So like I said, it's 1:33. So I will be back in a few hours to give y'all my final thoughts on this hair foundation. I have 10 minutes left, so that should be enough for me to wrap this hair video up. So again, you guys, I will see you in a few hours. Bye. Okay, y'all, it is 3:30, well 3:40. Not sure if you can see, but I'm sure y'all believe me. This makeup on since like 1:30. I didn't blot, I didn't touch up my face. I did go outside a little bit on my patio. I'm not sure if I'm gonna come back later on, only because I'm ready to take this makeup off, because I just used it to film today. So I just want to zoom in so y'all can see the makeup. So here is the makeup on my face. So far so good. I do see myself being a little shiny like over in this area, but like I said, that's the area where I show oils anyway. So I got 8 minutes left, so I'm gonna go ahead and try and leave some room on this here card, so I can maybe come back in another few hours. But if I don't, you guys, this is how the foundation looks. It's only been like 2 hours, so I'm sure the makeup can't really do but so much. So this here is like a 2-hour check-in. So I will be back in a little bit. It's around 5:15, and I had this makeup on since about 1:30. I did do a check-in prior to this in front of my window, which is giving me natural lighting, and I didn't blot or do anything. And I am going to blot for the sake of the video, just in case I may have to. Ready to take it off because I've been laying down. I've been getting a little sleepy. This here look. So hopefully this review will help you to determine if you like the Nars foundation. So far so good. Like I said, I'll get to see more of how this foundation looks once I go back to once I go back to edit this hair footage. Give this video a big thumbs up, because I can always try some other foundations, because honey, they done came out with so many foundations. I'm like, I just saw that Tom Ford came out with a new matte foundation. I had this wig on from that company I reviewed. So with that being said, my battery's about to die, so please give this video a big thumbs up if you like this hair foundation review. And again, I am in the color Macao medium deep in the Nars new matte foundation. Before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so y'all can be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. And until next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.